Why do some people snore so loudly while they sleep? You see, most people think snoring is just a funny noise, or maybe someone sleeping in a weird position. But the real reason starts deep inside your throat. So what's actually causing that sound? I'll tell you. But if you've ever heard someone snore like a chainsaw, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this fast. Here's the truth. When you fall asleep, the muscles in your throat relax. This makes your airway narrow, and as air struggles to pass through, the soft tissues vibrate. And that vibration is what creates that loud snoring sound. And the more the airway narrows, the louder the snore gets.